Hello friends, to another tutorial on Geeks4Geeks. In this video, we understand the program which helps us in finding the ancestors of a given node in a binary tree. First, let us take an example. In this example, the ancestors of 7 are nodes 4, 2 and 1. Now, let us look at the program which will assist us in finding the ancestors of a given node. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. First, we pass the root node which is 1 to function print ancestors and the node for which we have to find ancestors. Let us assume that we have to find ancestors for node 7. So, target will be equal to 7 and root will point to 1. Now we check if root is null. Since it is not, we check if root's data is equal to target. Since 7 is not equal to 1, we move to the third if statement. Now we check whether target is either in left or right subtree. So first we call the left child of 1 to print ancestors using a call stack. Again, we check if root is null or root's data is equal to 7. Since neither of them is true, we call the left subtree of root 2. So root will now point to 4. Again, we check if root is null and if root's data is equal to 7. Since neither of them is true, we pass the left child of 4 which is 7. Now we check if root is null or not. Since it is not, we check if root's data is equal to target. Since root's data is 7 and target is also 7, we return true to the call stack. We continue execution for node 4. Now we print root's data, so 4 is printed. After printing 4, we return true to the call stack. We finish execution for node 4. We continue execution for node 2 and print 2. After 2 is printed, we return true to the call stack. We continue execution for node 1. So 1 is printed and we return true. Now let us have a look at the time complexity of the program. This code will run in big O of n complexity. Here, n are the number of nodes in our binary tree. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.